Hello dear students, today we are going to do email writing. Writing an email is quite easy, it's not a difficult one. One can write it very, and when you start writing an email you get the answer in the question itself, and this kind of thing happens with all the writing sections. In writing section we find the answer in the question itself. Let us now read the question. You are Suman Saurabh of Kankarbaag Colony, Patna. You are going to celebrate your 14th birthday on 22nd November 2020. So write an email to your friend requesting him to come to your house to celebrate it. Let us begin. Let us start writing the answer. We will be doing the simplest way of writing an email. See, even if you write email in a box, it's okay. Even if you don't, even if there is no box, it does not matter. First of all, we will be writing from Suman @gmail.com. Then to Saurabh or Aman, whatever you write, Aman @gmail.com. Then CC carbon copy. If it is, suppose for example, if you have to send this email to more than one number of persons, you can write the addresses here, and if it is not there, leave it blank. Then subject, invitation. This is the invitation for birthday celebration. I have chosen this very topic, particularly, children eagerly wait for their birthday, and they start counting the dates also, how many days yet to come for their birthday celebration. Then let us start this will be the, after subject, there will be the content of the letter, content of the mail. Now, like common letters, you can write dear friend or dear Aman, also whatever. Dear friend, I am going to celebrate my 14th birthday on 22nd November 2000. There will be a huge party. All my friends friends have given their consent to come. Even the class teacher even our class teacher better, even our class teacher has assured me to come. I am not going to. You must come. You must come. I am not going to hear any excuses. Excuse. Eagerly waiting for your arrival. EAGER, eagerly waiting for your arrival. With love, the writer of this very email is Suman. As Suman is writing the mail, even if you put it in a box, it's okay. Even if you don't write in a box, it doesn't matter. Then there are options here below. Send, simply here you have to click on the button save as draft. Save as draft, and then the last one is cancel. These are the buttons. Suppose for example, if you want to cancel, you have to click on these buttons. That's all. Thank you very much.